Welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be another favorites video. I'm going to show you a haul of all the recent stuff I got from bo&tee, from Skatie Swim, Zara, and more. So I'm super excited for today's favorites. Let's go. Alright, first up I got this set from bo&tee. This is a UK fitness brand and I actually have never bought from them before. I've seen all of their Instagram ads and I've been so tempted, but this time I finally pulled the trigger. And this is a tie-dye set. I don't know if you guys can see all the detail, but it's this matching. I got this like kind of t-shirt style sports bra and the matching shorts and then the matching tie-dye socks, which I thought were just so cute to really pull the look together. I love tie-dye, which you're gonna see in this video. It's really comfortable. Like I would say I give this a, 9 out of 10. Like it's super comfortable. The waistband is stretchy and it has that like stretchy material. Same with the sports bra. I do wish I would have got also like another matching more sports bra style, as I think this is like great for lifestyle, but it's a little bit hard to work out in, just because I don't like working out in like t-shirts. But other than that, it's super comfortable. The quality is amazing. Their price point is really low compared to other brands. I think it's like 30 something a piece. And yeah, I would be open to buying more from them. I guess the only thing I'm not the greatest fan is the giant bo&tee symbol. At least this one is white. So it blends in, but I was looking, they had like yellow and blue and purple and all these really pretty vibrant colors. But I'm not a fan of like huge logos. I'm okay with logos if they're small, but not the biggest fan when they're like huge across. So I think I'm gonna wait to see like what other collections they come out with to try them again. But yeah, I would rate bo&tee pretty high and really great quality for their price point. So yeah, this is the bo&tee tie-dye outfit. Next up, I got another tie-dye set, staying on the tie-dye trend. This is from the official tie-dye company. This is so embarrassing to say. I'm 32 and I saw a teenage TikToker wearing this outfit and I wanted it. So I'm just gonna admit it. But yeah, I've been looking for like these kind of shorts to just lounge in and wear every day, and I'm obsessed with this outfit. I've already like worn it so many times. I'm obsessed with these shorts. This company actually, so what I did is I custom made this one. It's really cheap price. I'm trying to remember how much exactly it was. I could put it in the details below, but yeah, I did the custom option on their website, and I chose that I want it to be orange and yellow. They have it where you can buy already the colors they have as well. So they have the two different options. You can customize and make your own. I love these shorts. I got both the top and bottom in extra small, and it's so comfortable. Like I can't even explain. I love this top. I think it's so cute to go with this. They have tank tops too. They have sweatshirts and sweat sets, but I'm obsessed with like long sweat shorts like this. Like I could go on my walks in them. I can lounge in them. I just like, yeah, I'm obsessed with them. So this is a go. And yeah, if you can't tell already, I'm full on obsessed with tie-dye. Alright, next is this is a custom t-shirt I made from the same official tie-dye company. It's a size large. You could wear little like biker shorts underneath it. I love this belted, perfect t-shirt dress. I'm into the whole t-shirt dress. My boyfriend thought it was weird. He's like, I've never seen anyone do that, but I love it. And wanted to show you guys, I got these National Geographic Vans. I'm obsessed. Like, I've been wearing them every day. I'm so obsessed. They have National Geographic magazine covers all on the shoe. I'm going to show you guys up close. Yeah, they have National Geographic magazine covers all on the shoe, and yeah, again, this is a size large. I think it's like perfect. You can also size down and maybe just wear a baggy t-shirt with like leggings, but yeah, I love it. And the color I picked for this when I customized it was just like shades of blue. So yeah, this is my next outfit. Next, the last haul try on I did, I featured all the newest Balance Athletica stuff that I got. I didn't get to show the pants yet because I was still waiting on them. So I already showed this sports bra, and then this is the matching pants that I got with them. They also just did a release of their Kingdom collection, and they did a pre-sale, and I ordered a bunch of stuff, so when that comes in, I'll be doing a try on too. But yeah, I've talked about Balance Athletica a lot. I love them. I want to be a leader for them, but I'm obsessed with this color. I love it. It's so bright. It so goes with my color tone or my skin tone perfectly, and super comfortable. So yeah, if you haven't already, check out my last haul where I talk all about Balance Athletica stuff. But yeah, here's the matching pants. Right, next I got this Skatie Swim swimsuit right here. So I have been loving this like new style that seems to be what every brand is coming out with, but I like it because like you can adjust it to be more coverage or less coverage. I think that because I'm so short, it really elongates. And yeah, I just feel like I really love this brand because they make their bottom adjustable, and it's so buttery soft. And I think this print was called Lima. It's like a gingham blue print. It's their collab that they did with the Salty Blonde, but yeah, I really love it, and it exceeded my expectations, and really great price point as well. So yeah, this is one of my new swimsuits. As if you guys didn't think I love tie-dye enough, I got this swimsuit. It's again the same thing, Skatie Swim, the collab with Salty Blonde. I still have the tags on. Actually, I just realized they're sustainably made. But yeah, anyways, this is the tie-dye print. I believe it's called Ojo. But anyways, it's just a tie-dye print, and this top can actually be worn 3 ways. You can crisscross it like this. You can wear it regular, or you can one shoulder it. I would show you guys, but I don't want to accidentally show anything. And then this bottom is a new bottom they came out with called the Kelly bottom, and I'm obsessed with it. I just feel like, again, I am short. So I'm short, and I've got big thighs and a big booty. So I think anything that gives the illusion of like longer, I just like love. So I feel like any bottom that I can wear high-waisted, I'm all about, and I don't like when things go too low here. I love high-waisted, and that it has this like high cut, so it really gives that like long appearance. So the previous bathing suit that I showed you guys, both the top and bottom are size small, and then in this bathing suit, the top is a small and the bottoms, they said ran big, and so I got an extra small. I tend to always either be extra small or small, but I like smalls more because I don't have to worry about them like digging in. But this extra small, like look at this, it has so much stretch. Again, these suits are like buttery soft, and I'm obsessed. Like I would order more. I officially love this brand. So I feel like you know, if I like put my hair up like this, I'm like Kelly Kapowski from Saved by the Bell, however you say her last name. I probably just botched it, but yeah, I'm obsessed. Next is I'm going into all the stuff I recently got at Zara. I got this dress. Okay, a couple of things that I'm going to show you guys. I have the tag still, but I need to get in the habit of keeping the tags so I know all the names. But if you type in like long floral maxi dress, I'm sure you'll find this. I love that it's form-fitting. I love that it's perfect length. I'm only 5'1". Look at that length, perfect. It fits my booty nice. It fits my waist nice. And yeah, I just love this. I love like easy maxi dresses. It's like a silk material. I feel like it's so fun. Yeah, so this is the first item from Zara. You guys, next up I just got this like knit dress. It is so buttery soft and smooth from Zara as well. Again, perfect length for shorty like me. I would totally wear this with some boots in the fall. A nice like statement necklace, and I just love the color. I love the way it feels. It's so comfortable, and I feel like it's flattering and it doesn't cling, and like I feel like knit sometimes just like cling to every part of your body. This is like loose enough, it's comfortable, but also is really flattering on my curves. So yeah, I got this I like just got, so it should be really easy to find. But yep, I got this super flower top. It goes like down to here, and I just have it like tucked into this skirt, which I just got this skirt. I love it. It has like the little slit. I feel like you could like dress this skirt down or dress it up with some heels or wedges. It's a perfect length for me and not too tight. And yeah, I love this style top. I feel like it's super flirty, cute necklace, some heels, some boots. This would be perfect with a blazer jacket for fall as well. So this is the next one from Zara. What do you guys think about the scarf top look that's like the trend right now? I'm obsessed with it. This scarf is from Zara. I just tied it. I know there's so many ways you can make the scarves into different shirts, so I need to watch some tutorials on that and do that. I also am a fan of these like mom jean long shorts, just like the sweat shorts, that same long length. I love them. I have worn these so many times, and this like scarf top, you can have it tucked in, super cute, or tucked out. I've also seen where people have the necklace and they tie it around the necklace, or they get a bandeau and they tie it in front. Yeah, I love it. I love the like cute farm girl look. Just got these jeans that I'm obsessed with. They are the perfect cut and length. I don't like too wide, and I don't like super skinny jeans. I just think it's more lengthening when you actually have like this kind of cut. Again, these are jeans that you could wear with boots, with heels, with tennis shoes. I just think they're the perfect cut. They're so comfortable. I got a size 4, which is a 34. I think a 32 might have just cut in a little too much right here. I could belt these and I think they're fine. These are called the new Kick. So the new Kick jeans, I just got them. Even the cut, even this like hole is like in the perfect spot in the knee, which is crazy because usually I'm such an awkward height that the hole in the pants is like in the most awkward position. And then I got this top. Now, I never am really into these kind of tops that have like this kind of frilly stuff on it, but I think it's like so cute for like when I want to be like more fashionable, again with some heels or boots. And so I love the color, and I'm trying to like take my style, you know, try new things. So I thought this was cute. Yep, I got this like, you know, little, it's kind of has that like lingerie feel crop top from Zara. I love it. I feel like something like this you could put on with some jean shorts and dress it down, or put on with like that black skirt I tried on and dress it up. But I wanted to show you guys, I know this is like the weirdest outfit, but wanted to show you guys I got these pants from H&M. These are men's extra small pants that I cut into just comfy loungewear shorts I've been wearing like when I go on a road trip or on a walk. I got the color white, but yeah, I cut them myself and I think they're just super comfortable shorts. They're from H&M and the top is from Zara. Like I said, I feel like a top like this you could style, especially winter, like put a jacket, put a sweater over, and it's like that perfect length. So yeah. Lastly, today's haul, these are the same jeans, but I got this top. Let me know what you guys think, if you think it's like too girly or frilly, because like I said, I usually don't go for the like frilly girly style, but I'm going outside the box. I thought it was really cute and it would be cute with like, again, boots, heels, it buttons on the back, and yeah, this is it. That was my haul. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Let me know in the comments below what was your favorite, what do you like, dislike, maybe what questions you have. And I can't wait to see you guys next time. If you haven't already, hit that like button. It means the world to me to support and subscribe to my channel. And I hope you guys have a beautiful day.